Today's our first day here in Kona, Hawaii. We tried to sleep in, but with the time change, Stella woke us up a little bit. We walked around, we got breakfast, and now we're about to head to the lagoon. Yeah, it's not that way though. It's that way. We almost just got attacked by these geese. Pterodactyls. They came in and the door was open. And then Stella says, no geese in the room. You hear that, Mr. Geese? Not in our room. So we're here on a trip that we earned through our company, and tonight is our welcome reception. So we're gonna go meet up with some other people that earned the trip, eat some good food, hear some live music, and just have a good time. This is like something I would eat in Japan, and I'm so excited to try it right now. It's warm. I think it's chicken. I don't know. The chicken is great.
Yeah, so
This brief interruption has been brought to you by TAKA. This video isn't sponsored, but TAKA is the reason why we're here. This is our healthy energy drink. There's a ton of good stuff in it, but if you want better mood, more energy, more focus, then this is what you need to drink. This is blueberry lemonade. It's one of my favorite flavors, but Georgia peach is right up there. My absolute favorite is a mango dragon fruit. So if you want some, there's a link in the description for you to go to check out and see how this could help you and fit into your daily life. Today is day 2 here in Kona, Hawaii. We woke up, went to breakfast. Stella had an orange. And then we didn't really do a whole lot. She hasn't been feeling the best, so we went to a store, grabbed some stuff for her, grabbed some stuff for the room, and now we are headed to our luau dinner. Lainey, I like your dress. Stella, your dress is cute too.
Prove to them that it's a real thing. And
So I didn't actually end up recording the luau. I was under the assumption that it was something for just our group, but when we got there, there was a few hundred people. We just kind of sat back and relaxed and enjoyed the night, but the food was amazing. The performers were amazing. We actually had a couple of our friends in our group get taken on stage and they got to dance with everybody. It was really a lot of fun, but the next night, we are going to snorkel with manta rays in the dark. Are you ready for it?
Nope.
You sure?
Yep.
Oh, Mr. Turtle's over there in the boat right
Thank you.
There is plenty of water, but the hot doesn't stay hot forever. So if you're sitting there for 35 minutes, nobody else gets it.
So go first.
Be first.
There we go.
You guys choose how you're going to use that information.
Alright, so here's what happened with the manta rays. We got to the spot where we're going to jump in the water. Got to jump in before we put our wetsuits on. Once I got back on the boat, I started feeling a little sick. Like a little queasy and just kind of uncomfortable. But once I got in the water, I felt so much better. And instantly we see this huge manta ray swim underneath us, probably like 30 feet deep. And it had to be like 6 foot wide, for sure. There's all these fish like swimming like this close to my mask, and then a little bit later we see a baby manta ray, probably 3 to 4 foot long, and it was just chilling underneath us for like 20 minutes, and it was such a cool experience. So we're in the middle of the ocean, it's pitch black outside, we're hanging on to this surfboard with rails that have lights through it, and we can see down probably 50 feet into the ocean. So it was truly incredible. And then once I got back on the boat, I felt even worse than I did when we first got there. And I sat on the back of the boat, wrapped up in a towel, and Jessica was holding me like a baby the whole way back to land while everybody else was having fun singing Blink-182 songs. So even though I didn't feel the best and it was kind of like half and half good experience, I would still do it again, even if I had to feel like that again. So if you ever get the chance, definitely go swim with manta rays. So that was a little recap of our trip. It was our first time to Hawaii. We absolutely loved it. If you've never been and you want to go, you have to. The sunrises, the sunsets, the sound of the ocean, just being out there and feeling the climate. The island that we were on was Kona, and it's the big island, and apparently they have 7 different climates on the island. So we really just experienced the one right by the ocean, but we couldn't have asked for a better trip. So thanks to our company for making this trip possible. The next one that we earned is going to be in Playa del Carmen, Mexico in July. So if you want to see a video of that, please give this video a like. It's free. Subscribe so you don't miss it. We'll see you in the next one.